This lesson is 4.8. It's on dividing using partial products, just like in 4.8, but it also says to use the rectangular models to record the partial products. So we're going to use the same method as yesterday and then show you how it works with the area models. So first of all, let's look at number 4. We have 246 divided by 3. Divided by 3. So first I'm going to look at the first digit here, and I know 3 can't divide 2 evenly, so I'll go to the next digit, and that is a 4. So I know 240 equals 3 times 80, and I will subtract that out. So I have 246 minus 240 is 6. So I know that 3 times 2 is going to be 6. 3 times 2 is 6. If I subtract that, I'm left with a 0. How I would show that in an area model, and then the answer is 80 plus 2, which is 82. To show this with a rectangular model, I'll just use this spot up here, and then my divisor is 3, and then this section will be 240 plus 6. And I know that 3 times 80 is 240, and then 3 times 2 is 6. If I look at 82 in expanded form, it is 80 plus 2. And if I look at 246 in expanded form, it is 240 plus 6. So the answer is 82. Just to check. Now if we looked at number 8, we get to choose either way to record the partial quotients. So partial means part of the quotient, which is the answer when you divide. So, for example, I will do number 8, which is 224 divided by 7. First of all, I know that I can't divide 2 evenly 7 times, so I'm going to go to the next digit, which is 22. And think of a multiple of 7 that is less than 22. Where if I multiply 7 times 3, I'd get 21. And since there are 3 digits, I know that I'm just going to multiply that by 10 again. So I do 210 equals 7 times 30. And I subtract that. So 4 minus 0 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now, since I've taken that big chunk out, I can now multiply 7 times 2 and get 14. I subtract that and I'm left with 0. So if I cross out these 7s and just add the 30 plus 2, it will give me 32. That is my answer. There is no remainder because 14 minus 14 is 0.